This is the man who discovered electricity. You'd think
Electricity. Electricity.
this is the man who discovered electricity. You'd think if they find out, what can they kick me out or?
No, not officially. They'll just
Officially. Officially.
not officially. They'll just
Found to have a very large tumor of unknown origin pressed against her diaphragm. Stable vital signs.
Vital. Vital.
Stable vital signs of unknown origin pressed against her diaphragm. Stable vital signs scheduled for CT this morning, sir.
Schedule. Schedule.
And scheduled for CT this morning, sir.
Excuse me.
How much do you think it weighs?
60 pounds.
Weigh. Weigh.
How much do you think it weighs?
60 pounds.
Edward Lavangi is a 63-year-old man admitted for pain management for dyskinesia. He's been stable since last night and responding.
Stable. Stable.
He's been stable since last night and responding.
Intraspinal catheter. That way he can have constant pain medication.
Medication. Medication.
Can have constant pain medication.
Miranda.
Excuse me?
Well, that's your name, right? It's on your jacket.
Jacket. Jacket.
Well, that's your name, right? It's on your jacket.
And she never really felt all that sick until last night. She couldn't breathe.
Breathe. Breathe.
She couldn't breathe. And she never really felt all that sick until last night. She couldn't breathe.
because the tumor was crushing her lungs.
Yes,
Crush. Crush.
Because the tumor was crushing her lungs.
yes.
The doctor mentioned it, and I've read about it online. If it worked, it could help with most of his symptoms, not just his pain.
Symptom. Symptom.
With most of his symptoms, not just his pain.
Infiltrated her spinal canal in 3 places. I mean, we should start there. I mean, it's going to take 3-4 hours just to get around those nerves.
Nerve. Nerve.
There. I mean, it's going to take 3-4 hours just to get around those nerves. Should really go with the spine fresh. I miss a step, she's paralyzed.
If I don't relieve the pressure on her lungs, she'll...
Relieve. Relieve.
Pressure on her lungs, she'll...
It's definitely not yours.
Okay.
Since you're clearly uncomfortable with my decision in this case,
Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable.
since you're clearly uncomfortable with my decision in this case, since you're clearly uncomfortable with my decision in this case, it's probably best you don't scrub it.
But
It's a minor procedure. You won't be missed.
Minor. Minor.
but
It's a minor procedure. You won't be missed.
I guess I'll have the surgery.
I think that is a very wise decision.
Now one
Wise. Wise.
Very wise decision.
now one
Why doesn't she get banned?
Ban. Ban.
Why doesn't she get banned?
I don't have to talk to the fat, nasty tumor lady. I mean, I let it get this bad. How much sympathy do I deserve?
Sympathy. Sympathy.
Sympathy do I deserve?
Oh, I guess it's just like the elephant in the room.
Elephant?
I mean,
Small
Elephant. Elephant.
elephant?
I mean,
Small.
Look, you've got a brain. You got into this program. Just because Shepard likes to munch your cookies doesn't mean that you didn't deserve what you worked for.
But he's making me
deserve, deserve,
Cookies doesn't mean that you didn't deserve what you worked for.
But he's making me
You drink alcohol. I mean, we could, all of us, go out and drink alcohol, because
alcohol, alcohol,
all of us, go out and drink alcohol, because, sometimes I jog and I try to take the stairs whenever possible.
Why?
stare, stare,
I try to take the stairs whenever possible.
Why?
to hang another bag of on eggs.
Frontier, I'll start with the distance. I'm cauterizing the small bleeders to keep my visual field clean.
visual, visual,
Visual field clean.
Which translates as he should be home in no time.
translate, translate,
Which translates as he should be home in no time.
Okay, in that case, I'll stay where you can see me. Now we just have to drill a hole and try to find the spot that controls the motor function.
motor, motor,
Find the spot that controls the motor function. Find the spot that controls the motor function.
Can't see my brain from there. Aren't you supposed to be learning something?
suppose, suppose,
Aren't you supposed to be learning something? Look at the size of this artery.
My God. It's as thick as a thumb.
thumb, thumb,
It's as thick as a thumb. It's as thick as a thumb. You ever seen a vessel this size?
vessel, vessel,
You ever seen a vessel this size?
Cut the stitches and then the staples. Don't let them fall into the chest cavity.
Wait, I've never cracked a chest before.
crack, crack,
Wait, I've never cracked a chest before.
Wow.
Hold it steady.
steady, steady,
You opened a heart bedside and you couldn't even page me? But needed all the glory for yourself, right?
glory, glory,
But needed all the glory for yourself, right?
Any idea what I've been through?
Oh, man. The battery, I forgot to change it.
battery, battery,
Oh, man. The battery, I forgot to change it.
Is there any blood in a rapid infuser?
rapid, rapid,
Is there any blood in a rapid infuser?
We're waiting on 2 units.
What do you mean you're waiting?
Well, we didn't anticipate this much blood
They're on
loss.
their way. Come on.
anticipate, anticipate,
Anticipate this much blood loss.
On their way. Come on.
He who hesitates is lost.
hesitate, hesitate,
He who hesitates is lost. We can't pretend we haven't been told.
pretend, pretend,
We can't pretend we haven't been told. Heard our grandparents warning us about wasted time. Heard the damn poets urging us to seize the day.
seize, seize,
The damn poets urging us to seize the day.
Back's gonna need traction, and the patient died anyways. You think you did me a favor?
Favor. Favor.
Did me a favor?
Look.
You need a definition?
Definition. Definition.
You need a definition?
We have to make our own mistakes.
Lock the door.
Lock. Lock.
Lock the door.